Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for all things tech. Today, we've got something that's not just powerful but also visually stunning. The Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 32GB RAM kit. Get ready to elevate your PC's performance and aesthetics simultaneously. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our tech reviews. Let's kick things off with an introduction to the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 RAM kit. This kit boasts a massive 32GB of memory split into 2x16GB modules, making it ideal for gamers, content creators, and anyone seeking top-tier performance. But what sets it apart? Well, it's not just about performance, it's about style. And speaking of style, this RAM kit is all about aesthetics. It features 10 individually addressable RGB LEDs per module, which means you can expect mesmerizing, dynamic, and ultra-bright lighting. It's like a light show for your PC, and it's absolutely stunning. But here's where it gets even cooler. With the Corsair iCUE software, you're in the driver's seat when it comes to controlling the lighting. You can synchronize the RGB lighting across all your Corsair iCUE compatible products, from memory to fans, coolers, keyboards, and more. The customization possibilities are virtually endless. Now, let's talk performance. This RAM kit is not just about looks, it's about raw power. It's compatible with both Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards, making it versatile for a wide range of systems. It's equipped with a custom performance PCB for superior signal quality and performance stability. But wait, there's more. If you're into overclocking, you'll love this RAM kit. Corsair carefully screens the ICs for extended overclocking potential, so you can push your system to the limits. Plus, there's a built-in aluminum heat spreader that provides superb memory cooling, even when you're overclocking. It's all about keeping your system running cool and stable. Last but not least, this RAM kit supports Intel XMP 2.0, which means you can achieve optimum performance with just a simple one-setting installation. It's user-friendly and hassle-free. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or a casual user, this RAM kit offers something for everyone. In conclusion, the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 32GB RAM kit is a perfect blend of performance and style. It lights up your PC with incredible RGB lighting while delivering top-tier DDR4 performance. If you're looking to upgrade your system, this is definitely a contender. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more exciting tech reviews. And don't forget to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next review.